Hello everyone, this is Chris. Welcome back. I haven't done a video in a few months, so I thought I'd better do one. I've had a few new subscribers and appreciate that very much. So I wanted to make a video showing some progress that I've made to get ready to build the expansion of my train table. I'm going to build a hidden staging yard, but it won't be completely hidden. You'll be able to see it from around the outside. And it'll be a 4 tracks that loop around underneath my main table that hadn't been made yet. So I'm starting on the bottom level and working my way up. So I couldn't build the rest of my table until I cleared away a lot of boxes and some toys I had collected, mainly Hot Wheels and Matchbox, and a lot of different 1/64 scale mainly vehicles. So I got that accomplished, and I'll show you that. And I also had a hot water heater that went bad after 21 years. So I show you that at first, and what I had to do to put that in. And also I purchased back in August of last year a 4-pack that was uncatalogued from MTH, and it was military flat cars, U.S. Army. They were green, and it has 2 rocket launchers on each flat car. So I'll show you that. And I think they're really neat looking. And I really want to have more flat cars, but these are the first ones I've purchased. I want to have different military loads on, say, at least a 12-car train. So this is the start of that. And just show you the overall view of the basement of where the layout's going to go. So stay tuned and enjoy. Just thought I'd give you a good look at my Lionel authorized dealer train sign. It's made by, I think, Neon Products. That's what I show on my YouTube logo. Over here it has a tag. Neon Products, Lima, Cincinnati, no, Ohio. Well, I'm just doing a video today to show you all the mess I have. I have to clear all this out to make room for my table. One thing that just happened a week or so ago was my hot water heater. I had to shove all this stuff over and make a path down here to get my old hot water heater, or actually a new one, put in. I did it myself. This is my old hot water heater. It's just off to the side here. But what happened was, I think this inlet cold water pipe started to leak on the top and run out the top and run down the side. And this is the location under my stair steps where the hot water heater was. So my old one was gas, and I had to buy this temporary electric one because there was no gas hot water heaters available that I wanted that were 75 gallon. You can see it just ran into a floor drain, and it didn't cause any damage when it leaked on the floor. And the white pipe is my vent. So I did all this work myself. I rearranged the inlet and outlet pipes to match the new hot water heater, put new pipes on it. And the old one, of course, is just cut off here. But that's one thing I had to do last week. And there's the drain it goes into down there, the black circle. But you can see, let me pan back over here. I've got to clear out all this stuff, these pictures and totes, to make room for my table. Pack up all those Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars and figure out where I'm going to put all these boxes. So I'm going to get to work and start cleaning this up, and I'll show you what progress I've made. Well, I thought I'd start packing these Hot Wheels and Matchbox up. So I started taking this Matchbox on the right side and putting it in this box. So this is a dust mask box that I got, and it holds quite a few cars. I'd say about 100. So I'll continue packing these up in these boxes. I just wanted to show you some Lionel racing cars that Lionel produces. I like John Force. I used to watch drag racing a long time ago, but not much anymore. But here are some of the cars that Lionel's making. See, Lionel Racing, 1/64 scale. Of course, these are all funny cars. So this is the second box I'm packing right now. So getting close to finishing the table. Now it's just bigger stuff. Well, this is the table now. I've got a lot of the cars cleaned off, and I found out I had more cars back here behind those boxes. Well, I thought I'd show you some of these special Hot Wheels. These are called Team Transport. I really like the ones that have the race cars on them, drag racers. This one's pretty neat. It's hard to get it without a reflection. But yeah, back here I've got more cars to pack up, I found. Auto Worlds and a whole bunch of Matchbox and Hot Wheels. So now I'm going to work on these. Well, to liven things up a little, I came across the box I got a few weeks ago, and this was inside. I got a 4-pack of these MTH military cars. These were uncatalogued cars that were advertised last August. I just got them in June, so I thought I'd let you see this. I'll show you the box here, the end flap, and you can see what they are. Here's the end flap. They're 60-foot Flatcars with a launcher vehicle, U.S. Army, and I guess that one's marked D at the end of the item number, and this one over here is B, and the other one I have is E, and I think the one I have over there might be B, no, C, I think. I don't have A. Well, here's the space all cleaned out. I haven't completely gotten everything out of the room. I still have boxes on this side, but I put a tape measure on the floor, and it's how far the layout will come out is 12 feet from that table back there, and then from that 12 feet I'll probably have another 3.5 feet of walkway to go through there. That table is 8 feet long, so there'll be another 4 feet coming out from that, and when it comes around this bend around this way, it's actually going to be a curve, a 9-foot 9-foot diameter curve that will be the width of the table, and then it'll connect back in over there. Well, this is looking at the edge of my table, and that red and white tower is the point at which the layout will meet back up. This way over this way will be an aisleway, and then this way will be the 9-foot width of the table that's going to attach to this table. So the bottom level will come down this incline and go flat across this table, branch out into 4 tracks, and those tracks will start curving right there, and it'll be a 9-foot diameter radius on that end of the table, and then it's going to come back up this way and connect back in again. So where that trunk is, there really won't be any tracks. It's going to make a curve and go back up that incline again. Well, I wanted to give you a perspective of the incline over here as it comes down, and this is what's going to connect to the bottom level, and expand and go around the loop down over there. So that's the end of this update for today. Thanks for watching, and everyone take care.